Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit players' attributes using in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge create your own tactics from formation, shape, defense, and also attack. You can you can add set piece taker and also choose your leader. Let's get started. So all you have to do is activate your in-game editor, this one. You can tap the yellow button at the bottom of your screen. This is the in-game editor. So to activate this in-game editor, all you have to do is start new game. You cannot activate this in-game editor. You can tap setting button, tap view, tap unlockables, this one. You cannot active or deactive during or in the middle of the game. So you must start new game to activate. So after you activate, you can change the player attributes. For example, let's tap one of the player. Currently I'm managing Manchester United. You can tap edit button. I want to edit Alejandro Garnacho here by positions and also his attributes here. So you can imagine, you can change based on real life attributes. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the text button below. See you in the next video.